Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to be fluent in English in 5 steps. Smile and breathe. No matter what your level of English, confidence is vital. Memorize examples with vocabulary. Don't just memorize lists of words. Listen to learn. Exercise your mouth muscles. Copy a native speaker. 15 best tips for improving English quickly and easily. Full guide.
Take our lead.
There are a number of ways you can learn English by yourself. 5 ways to improve your English by yourself. Place labels around your home. Whether it be grammar or vocabulary, memorization is a part of learning English. Start a blog. Change your phone settings. Read for interest. Write summaries.
Take our lead.
5 tips for learning English quickly. Listen as much as you can. Listening to conversations in English is one of the most effective ways to build your vocabulary and speaking skills. Practice English with a partner. Read children's books and comic books in English. Take advantage of free online media. Believe in yourself.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Grammar is the system and structure of a language. The rules of grammar help us decide the order we put words in and which form of a word to use. When you're talking about grammar, it's useful to know some basic terms.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.